guys, before watching the video, subscribe our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive all new updates. Today we are talking about Anu Emmanuel. Anu Emmanuel is an American actress of Indian origin who appears in Telugu, Tamil and Malayalam language films. She was born on the 28th of March 1996. She first appeared in the 2011 Malayalam film Swapna Sanchari and debuted as a heroine in the 2016 Malayalam film Action Hero Biju.She. She made her Telugu debut with Majnu 2016 and went on to act in other Telugu films, like Kittu Unnadu Jagratha 2017, Oxygen, and Agnyaathavaasi 2018. Emmanuel has also worked in Tamil films, making her debut with the suspense thriller Thupparivaalan 2017. Early life. Anu Emmanuel was born on the 28th of March 1996 in a Malayali family in Chicago, Illinois, United States. Her family is settled in Dallas, Texas. She lived all throughout in the US and later moved to India to pursue acting. Malayali actress Reba Monica John is her cousin. Quick information about Anu Emmanuel. Real name: Anu Emmanuel. Profession: actress. Physical status and more. Height: 167 cm in meters, 1.65 meters. 5 feet 5 inch. Weight 55 kilogram. Figure measurement: 302830. Eye color black. Hair color light brown. Date of birth: the 28th of March 1997. Birthplace: Chicago, Illinois, US. Nationality: American. Education qualification: Bachelor in Psychology. Family status: father's name: Thankachan Emmanuel, film producer. Mother's name: Nimi Emmanuel. Religion: Christianity. Career: Emmanuel was born in the US and lived most of her childhood in Dallas, Texas. While in high school, Anu knew she wanted to pursue something in the artistic field. She made her acting debut as lead in Nivan Pauly-starrer Action Hero Biju.She, which was directed by Abraj. She made her Telugu debut with Majnu opposite to Nani. The film went on to become a hit at box office. During that time she was announced as the female lead in Oxygen, alongside actor Gopichand in the lead. In 2017, she made her Tamil debut with Thupparivaalan alongside Vishal. In 2018, she paired opposite to Pawan Kalyan in Agnyaathavaasi. She played lead roles in Naparu Suya along with Allu Arjun and Shailaja Reddy Aludu along with Naga Chaitanya and Ramya Krishna. She made a cameo appearance in Geeta Govindam. She appeared in her second Tamil film Namavitu Pillai opposite to Sivakarthikeyan, which became successful at the box office. Thanks for watching.